What's up guys, this is your chef Jasbir and welcome to the TheFoodXP kitchen. Today I'm going to make Sonic's signature sauce and this sauce takes hardly 10 minutes to make. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So I have added all the ingredients into the bowl. Now it's time to mix everything to make this delicious sauce. So our Sonic signature sauce is ready to enjoy. You can have it with your favorite Sonic onion rings or fries or even chicken as well. And that's all for today guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. We'll see you in the next video.